if you want to, if you want to input in your calculator, because again, our calculators, most of the calculators only give a two option, the base 10 and the base E. And those are the only two base that the calculator can have the key on the keyboard for us to put them in. So if the base outside of those two base, then we have to use this formula. So what they say is that we can change to whatever base that they give us back to base 10 or base E. Okay, so let's so what they say right here, that if you can look what we have, log base B of x, we can write them as log base A of x divided by log base A. So it means A is another base, which is when you're using in your calculator, you can make them into base 10 or base E. So what it say here, if you look at here, you can see log base B of x, we can write them in terms of base 10 or base E. So this is for your calculator. It will be very useful for the calculator. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and look at number 24. The base is 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and write them in terms of base 10 or base E. Okay, so let's start with base 10 first. So that will be log of 15 divided by log of 7. It's the same thing. We can write them in terms of base E, which is natural log of 15 divided by natural log of 7. And they all give us the same answer. So can you try in your calculator for me, please? Try both of them, and they both give us the same answer. I am going to round to 4 decimal places. So 1 point, so after the decimal will be 4 more number, 3917. Okay, can you get your calculator now, and can you try both the base 10 and the base E, the natural log, which is base E, and then the common log, which is base 10 on your calculators? Make sure you end up the same answer. Okay, so let's try the next one. Thank you so much, Evan and Christina and Murray. Thank you so much. Okay, so now let's do the next one. I'm gonna go to the calculator again. I am so right here, this is base 5, log base 5, but of course in our calculator we don't have base 5, or we only have two base 10 or base E. So I'm gonna go ahead and do with base 10 first, log base 10 of 0.3 divided by log base 10 of 5, and then the same as we do with base E, which is the natural log. So the natural log of 0.3 divided by the natural log of 5. Now put in your calculator again, and can we make sure that we both base 10 and base E give us exactly the same answers, which is a negative numbers. Negative 0.7481.